Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pie chart in Word. First, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Next, click on the chart icon. A dialog box will appear. Select Pie from the chart types listed on the left. Then, choose the specific pie chart style that best suits your presentation from the options provided. This will insert a basic pie chart into your document. Once the pie chart is inserted, a small Excel spreadsheet will automatically pop up. This is where you'll input the data for your chart. Simply replace the placeholder categories and values with your own information. Make sure your data is structured clearly, typically with one column for categories and another for their corresponding values. As you enter your data, the pie chart in Word will update in real time. Now it's time to customize your pie chart. With the chart selected, you'll see Chart Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. Use the Chart Design tab to easily change colors, chart styles, and add elements like data labels. Data labels are great for showing exact percentages or values on each slice. You can also adjust the chart title and legend to make your information clear and easy to understand. For the final touches, you can easily resize and reposition your pie chart anywhere in your Word document. Simply click and drag its corners or edges. If you want more advanced styling, right-click on the chart and select Format Chart Area to access detailed options for borders, fills, and effects. Once you're happy with your pie chart, remember to save your Word document to ensure all your hard work is preserved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.